Welcome to our lecture on leading high performance, behavioral performance management, and leadership. In this session, we'll explore key topics like job design, reinforcement principles, quality of work life, and the critical differences between ethical and unethical leadership styles. By the end of this presentation, you'll gain valuable insights into leadership strategies and techniques that can drive both individual and organizational success. Let's dive in. Job rotation is a strategy to improve employee adaptability and engagement. It involves shifting employees between tasks or roles, ensuring they develop diverse skills and experience. This approach motivates employees by reducing monotony and enhancing their understanding of various organizational functions. Additionally, it creates a versatile workforce capable of handling different roles effectively. While job rotation has numerous benefits, it is not without challenges. Organizations might face increased training costs and potential workflow disruptions during transitions. Despite these drawbacks, it is highly effective in sectors like manufacturing and technical services, where versatility and adaptability are crucial. Employers must carefully implement job rotation to minimize disruptions. Job enlargement involves adding more variety to a role by increasing the number of tasks an employee performs. Unlike promotions, it focuses on horizontal growth, enabling employees to engage with more aspects of their job. This approach can boost job satisfaction and encourage employees to take greater ownership of their roles. Job enlargement brings several advantages, such as reducing monotony and fostering skill development. However, it has limitations. Overloading employees with excessive tasks without adequate support can lead to burnout or reduced efficiency. Additionally, job enlargement does not contribute to vertical career growth, which might limit its appeal to ambitious employees. Job design focuses on structuring tasks and responsibilities to align individual roles with organizational goals. It improves productivity, motivation, and satisfaction by clearly defining what employees need to do and how they interact with others. Michael Armstrong's definition highlights the importance of relationships and methods in job design. The objectives of job design include balancing organizational needs with employee well-being. By improving task efficiency and making jobs more engaging, organizations can enhance productivity while reducing turnover. A well-designed job also provides opportunities for skill development and promotes work-life balance. Job design can be approached in multiple ways, including job rotation, enlargement, and enrichment. Each method serves a unique purpose, from reducing monotony to fostering decision-making capabilities. These approaches also ensure that both technical and social factors are considered in the workplace. Job enrichment adds depth to a role by giving employees autonomy and decision-making authority. Unlike job enlargement, it emphasizes vertical growth, enabling employees to develop problem-solving skills and motivation. Practical examples include self-scheduling and participation in organizational decisions. Socio-technical systems integrate technology and human needs in job design. This approach ensures that both technical efficiency and social collaboration are prioritized, fostering a productive and supportive workplace. It emphasizes teamwork and communication alongside technical optimization. Effective job design offers numerous benefits, from improving efficiency to reducing turnover. By making roles engaging and aligning them with organizational goals, companies can ensure higher employee satisfaction and performance. Motivated employees are more productive and committed to their roles. Quality of work life, QWL, is a concept that focuses on creating a balanced and supportive work environment. It encompasses physical and psychological factors that influence employee well-being. Harrison's definition highlights the dual impact of work on employees' material and mental states. Central to QWL are safe working conditions, opportunities for career growth, and involving employees in organizational decisions to foster a sense of belonging and satisfaction. Quality of work life is crucial for both employees and organizations. By addressing employee needs and concerns, QWL contributes to higher productivity and reduced absenteeism. When employees feel valued and supported, their morale improves, fostering loyalty and long-term engagement. Moreover, organizations with strong QWL practices are viewed as desirable employers, enhancing their reputation and ability to attract talent. Key elements of QWL include creating a safe and healthy workplace, promoting work-life balance, and ensuring job security. A focus on fair compensation aligns employee efforts with rewards, while involving employees in decision-making strengthens their connection to organizational goals. These elements collectively ensure employees feel respected, valued, and motivated. Enhancing QWL requires deliberate strategies such as offering flexible work schedules and career development opportunities. Recognition programs acknowledge employee contributions, boosting morale. Health and wellness initiatives cater to physical and mental well-being, ensuring employees feel cared for. Transparent communication fosters trust, minimizes conflicts, and aligns everyone with organizational goals. These strategies help organizations create a more supportive and engaging work environment. High QWL benefits organizations significantly. It helps retain skilled employees, reducing the costs of hiring and training new talent. A reputation for good work conditions attracts top talent and improves brand image. By fostering collaboration and innovation, organizations create an environment where employees contribute their best ideas. Ultimately, high QWL aligns employee happiness with long-term organizational success, driving sustainable growth. Reinforcement is a concept derived from behavioral psychology that plays a critical role in shaping employee behavior in organizations. Positive reinforcement introduces rewards to encourage desirable behaviors, while negative reinforcement eliminates discomfort or unpleasant situations to achieve the same result. Both are instrumental in improving performance and adherence to organizational goals, making reinforcement a cornerstone of employee behavior management strategies. Positive reinforcement strengthens desired behaviors by rewarding employees when they perform well. For example, bonuses motivate employees to achieve sales goals, while verbal praise boosts morale and encourages punctuality. Rewards can be tangible, such as financial bonuses, or intangible, like public recognition. By linking rewards to performance, positive reinforcement fosters a culture of achievement and motivation. Negative reinforcement works by removing undesirable conditions to encourage specific behaviors. For instance, reducing strict oversight for high-performing employees shows trust and motivates them to maintain their output. Similarly, eliminating weekend shifts as a reward for meeting targets reinforces the connection between behavior and benefits. Negative reinforcement avoids punishment, instead fostering positive behaviors by creating a more supportive environment. Reinforcement is highly effective in organizations for promoting desirable behaviors and aligning them with organizational goals. Positive reinforcement builds motivation and satisfaction, while negative reinforcement removes barriers to productivity. Examples include performance-based incentives, recognition programs, and behavioral training sessions. These strategies create an encouraging work culture where employees feel valued and motivated to excel. Positive and negative reinforcement both encourage desired behaviors but differ in approach. Positive reinforcement adds rewards, such as bonuses or recognition, to motivate employees. In contrast, negative reinforcement removes discomfort, such as reducing supervision or deadlines, to achieve similar results. Both methods focus on strengthening behaviors that benefit individuals and the organization, making them vital tools in behavioral performance management. Reinforcement theory, introduced by B.F. Skinner, emphasizes that behavior can be controlled by its consequences, either through rewards or punishments. While it has been influential in shaping organizational practices, critics argue it overlooks internal cognitive processes, such as motivation, values, and emotions. This theory focuses heavily on external stimuli, raising concerns about its applicability to complex human behaviors in dynamic organizational settings. A major critique of reinforcement theory is its neglect of internal cognitive processes. By emphasizing external rewards and punishments, the theory overlooks intrinsic motivation, where individuals act based on personal goals or values. This mechanistic approach simplifies human behavior, ignoring emotions and thought processes that significantly influence actions. As a result, it may not fully explain or address behaviors driven by internal factors. Ethical concerns about reinforcement theory stem from its focus on controlling behavior through external means, which may undermine employee autonomy. Critics argue this approach risks treating individuals as tools to achieve organizational goals rather than as autonomous beings. For instance, excessive reliance on rewards can create dependency, while punitive measures may lead to workplace fear or resentment, affecting morale and trust. Reinforcement theory is often criticized for its short-term effectiveness. Behaviors influenced by rewards or punishments may not sustain over time, especially when the external stimuli are removed. For example, employees might adhere to policies when incentivized but revert to previous behaviors without supervision. This raises concerns about the theory's ability to drive lasting change or instill genuine commitment to organizational values. The theory's emphasis on extrinsic motivation, such as financial incentives or penalties, has been criticized for overshadowing intrinsic factors like passion, purpose, or satisfaction. Over-reliance on external rewards might reduce employees' natural interest in their work, fostering a transactional culture. This approach risks neglecting the deeper emotional and psychological needs that drive long-term commitment and engagement. To address its limitations, reinforcement theory can be enhanced by integrating intrinsic motivation and fostering autonomy. Modern approaches advocate combining reinforcement with holistic strategies, such as empowering employees and acknowledging their emotional needs. By aligning rewards with individual values and emphasizing personal growth, organizations can create a more balanced and effective framework for behavior management. Charismatic leadership refers to the ability of leaders to inspire and influence their followers using their vision, confidence, and personal charm. However, this style can be applied ethically or unethically. Ethical charismatic leaders act with integrity, prioritizing the needs of their followers and organization. On the other hand, unethical charismatic leaders manipulate their followers for selfish purposes, often disregarding moral and organizational values. One key difference lies in the use of power. Ethical charismatic leaders prioritize the well-being and growth of their followers. They use power to inspire and empower, fostering collaboration and trust. Conversely, unethical charismatic leaders misuse power for personal benefits, often exploiting resources and followers. This misuse erodes trust and damages the organization's ethical foundation. Ethical charismatic leaders view their role as mentors and enablers, focusing on the personal and professional growth of their followers. They align team goals with organizational objectives. In contrast, unethical charismatic leaders prioritize personal ambitions, often disregarding the development and needs of their followers. This behavior can create a toxic work environment and hinder team success. Ethical charismatic leaders emphasize transparency and open dialogue. They value diverse perspectives, fostering an inclusive environment where feedback is welcomed. In contrast, unethical leaders often use manipulative communication to maintain control. They discourage dissent and suppress alternative views, leading to a lack of trust and stifled creativity within the organization. Ethical charismatic leaders develop visions aligned with organizational and societal values, inspiring their followers to work toward shared goals. Their focus is on long-term, sustainable success. Conversely, unethical leaders pursue self-centered visions, prioritizing personal gains over organizational or ethical concerns. This approach often undermines trust and the overall health of the organization. This table highlights the fundamental differences between ethical and unethical charismatic leaders. Ethical leaders empower their followers, encourage growth, and align their vision with shared organizational values. On the other hand, unethical leaders exploit their power, prioritize personal gain, and dismiss alternative perspectives. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for identifying and nurturing ethical leadership in organizations. Leadership effectiveness is the ability of leaders to inspire and guide their teams toward shared goals. Avolio and Luthans stress the importance of authentic leadership, where leaders act with integrity and build trust through clear communication and consistent values. These guidelines aim to create a positive and supportive environment that aligns team efforts with organizational objectives, fostering long-term success. Consistency in values and principles is foundational for effective leadership. Leaders who align their actions with their core beliefs and ethical standards establish trust and credibility among their followers. This consistency reinforces the organization's culture and provides employees with a clear model of ethical behavior, strengthening their commitment to the leader and the organization. Effective leaders excel in communicating a clear vision that resonates with their followers. This involves clearly articulating the organization's mission, values, and strategic goals to ensure everyone understands their role in achieving success. For example, during team meetings, a leader might detail the organization's objectives and connect them to individual tasks, fostering alignment and purpose across the team. Recognizing and appreciating the contributions of team members is critical for maintaining motivation and engagement. Leaders can use tangible rewards, such as bonuses, or intangible gestures, such as public praise, to acknowledge their team's efforts. This recognition not only reinforces desired behaviors but also cultivates a culture of appreciation and respect, encouraging employees to continue striving for excellence. Building ownership among followers involves empowering them to take an active role in decision-making and responsibility for outcomes. For example, a leader might delegate important tasks to team members, encouraging them to design their methods and solutions. This approach fosters accountability, pride, and a collaborative spirit, creating a team environment where everyone feels invested in the organization's success. Confidence and positivity are essential traits for effective leadership. Leaders who maintain optimism and faith in their team's abilities inspire resilience and determination. During challenging times, their positive attitude serves as a source of strength, encouraging followers to persevere and overcome obstacles. This approach fosters a supportive and motivated work culture, ensuring that the team remains focused and productive. Avolio and Luthans provide a comprehensive framework for effective leadership. Their guidelines emphasize the importance of acting with integrity, communicating a clear vision, and recognizing the contributions of team members. Additionally, by fostering ownership, accountability, and positivity, leaders can inspire their teams to achieve organizational success while creating a supportive and resilient work environment. These principles form the foundation of authentic and impactful leadership. Thank you for watching this lecture on leadership and behavioral performance management. If you found this video helpful, Please like and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on organizational behavior and leadership. See you in the next video.